to build a house, and we wanted it to be a greenhouse. We used a builder who is in the IGBA, the Ithaca Green Builders Alliance, and they were working with Halco to get us a geothermal system in the house so that we could be LEED certified gold. Well, we didn't end up building a house. We bought this one, and it was using 2,000 gallons of propane a year, which was just nuts. And so I called Hal, and he came out and he designed a system for us. It was pretty awesome, going from basically $8,000 a year in heating costs to a little under $2,000. Just right off the bat, we replaced a terrible old propane boiler with geothermal, and Hal did that. And then after a couple years, we added a bunch of solar. And then a few years later, we added some more solar power so that we bought an electric car too, so we're pretty close to net zero. We have all on the roof, which we're lucky is south facing and pretty close to an optimal angle. We have 19.2 kW of solar panels. If you're just talking about one house, it's like, oh, we're almost offset, but that doesn't say anything. It's like, when you look up the numbers, it's like, oh, well, we could supply all of the electricity for like 8 or 9 houses for a year. We could power 6 football stadiums overnight. Well, overnight, that's not much, but stadiums, they're huge. I mean, it feels big. It feels like we really did something.